Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to learn how to build a recipe page. We'll utilize the skills we learned on how and when we built the cat photo app, and we're going to use them to build a recipe page. So without further ado, let's get started. All right. So build an app that is functionally similar to this example project. Try not to copy the example project. Give it your own personal style. Objective: fulfill the user stories below and get all the tests to pass to complete the lab. User stories. You should have a doc type HTML declaration. You should have an HTML element with lang set to English. You should have a head element containing a title element with the name of your recipe and a meta element with a char set attribute set to UTF-8. You should have a body element. You should have an H1 element with the name of your recipe. You should have a paragraph element that introduces the recipe below, H1. You should have one H2 element with the text ingredients for the ingredients section. You should have an unordered list, UL element, with at least 4 list items that lists your ingredients below the first H2 element. You should have the second H2 element with the text instructions for the instructions section. You should have an ordered list item with at least 4 list items that list the recipe steps in order below the second H2 element. You should have one image element with a source attribute set to a valid image. You can use this JPEG if you would like, and add an alt attribute describing the image. Okay, that is a lot. That is a lot, but we're going to take it step by step. Okay. So, doc type HTML declaration done. No, I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Is it that or is it this? Okay. Lang equals to. Okay. So, okay, step 3, you should have a head element containing title element with the name of your recipe and a meta element with a char set attribute set to UTF-8. Okay. Nope. Not meet meta. I forgot to add this. Okay. Could be wrong with that. I think I'm wrong. With the meta, I feel like the meta should, like, it's nested in the head, but I feel like it should be inside, like, just right here. But I could be wrong. Who cares? What is this? What is the name of the recipe? What type of recipe are we building? Let's see if I can. I'm just gonna put this so I can just kind of see. Should be able to see the image. What possibly could we be making? I think. Okay. 3 eggs, milk, flour. What are we making? What are we making? Looks like flour. Are we making? We could be making biscuits. Isn't that how you make biscuits? I think this is okay. We're gonna put it at that. We're gonna put how to make biscuits. Biscuits. Whoa. Well, looks like our time here for right now is done. Let's just to see what we have, like, correct. Now I know we're not done with everything, but let's just kind of see what we have correct. Nah, we'll just wait for that to the end. All right, but in this video we covered we declared the doc type in this lab, declared the HTML element, set the lang to English. We used the meta tag, meta element title, and we put an image on the screen for now. But thanks for watching. Join me next time. We'll complete more tasks of this, and I'll see you later. Bye.